We'll guide you through how to compare Inkscape and CorelDRAW so you can decide which one suits your design needs best. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Inkscape website and download the latest version, then do the same for CorelDRAW from their official site. Once both programs are installed on your computer, let's dive into their features. Open Inkscape and you'll notice its straightforward and clean interface. It's excellent for vector graphics and offers a wide range of tools for drawing and editing. It's an open source program, which means it's free, and you can find a lot of community support and plugins to enhance functionality. Now, switch over to CorelDRAW. You'll immediately see its professional grade interface designed for more advanced users. CorelDRAW provides an extensive suite of tools not only for vector design, but also for photo editing and page layout. It's a paid software, but it offers robust support and frequent updates. If you need advanced typography tools and color management features, CorelDRAW might be the better option. However, if you're looking for a free community-driven solution with powerful vector drawing capabilities, Inkscape is a solid choice. Consider the complexity of your projects and whether you need additional features like multi-page layout or advanced printing options, which CorelDRAW excels at. Remember, the best tool depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.